This is the product. It's called Ultra Seal. Extreme grade is more for like commercial duty trailers and trucks and things that are going to be on the highway. So literally, if you are in and out of the landfills constantly and you're getting flat tires on a weekly basis, even a monthly basis, you spend like 90 bucks for a gallon of this stuff, and it'll do all 4 of your tires, and it's going to save you money in the long run, because when you put this stuff in here, it lasts the same duration as the tire, so they guarantee it for the whole life of the tire. This is a newer trailer. I haven't really taken it on the road yet, so I was watching Around Town Junk Removal, which is a channel out of Phoenix, Arizona, and he was doing this to his tires, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a shot, because I want to say in the last 6 months I've probably spent $300 or $400 on tire repairs. So essentially, if you get a puncture and then you take it out, or if it's a slow leak, this stuff stays in liquid form inside of the tire, and it'll fill that hole up to an inch, or I'm sorry, a half an inch, and they guarantee that it's going to seal the tire and you're going to keep your air pressure. So it cuts down on cost and time. Repairing a tire can be time consuming and costly, and plus when you're trying to go out and work, the last thing you want to do is try to fix a tire on the side of the road, especially like a 14-ply tire or a 10-ply tire on a truck. You got to break out a drill and try to put the plug in, and that's how I've been doing it. So when I seen this stuff, I was like, okay, that's a no-brainer. All right, let's jump right into it. I'm no expert at this. You need a valve core tire removal tool, which are like a couple bucks, and basically you just remove the valve, let most of the air out. You don't have to let it all out, and then you just start pumping this stuff in. There's a tire size chart, so you need to check your tires and go on their website. It's ultraseal.com. Look at their tire size chart, or you can download the PDF so that you know how many pumps goes in each tire. This one is 24. That's 24 pumps equals 24 ounces, so it's pretty easy, and it'll tell you right on there. So let's go ahead and get to it. See there. I'm going to put this up here so I don't lose it. I'm going to let that get down pretty low. They say you're supposed to let it get below 40 psi. Because it's hard to pump it in there with a lot of pressure, so I think the last couple of tires were at like 10 or 20 psi. I'll just wait until it stops whistling so much. Put my hand over the core. And you're going to get a little bit of this stuff on your rim and tire, but it's okay. It sprays right off with water. So all right, so 24 pumps. Let's see. All right, so now that I've got the 24 pumps in, going to go ahead and just get ready to reinsert the valve core, and you're going to get a little bit of it. It's going to blow back out, but it's all right. All right, just like that. And then I will show y'all how easy it is to spray off. Right, that's all, is it? Now we just air it back up.